Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check transmission fluid in a Ford Explorer. First, park your vehicle on a level surface to ensure an accurate reading. Make sure the engine is warm and running with the transmission in park. Now, locate the transmission fluid dipstick, which is typically red or yellow, often near the back of the engine compartment. This preparation is crucial for a reliable check. Once you've located the dipstick, carefully pull it out of its tube. Before wiping, take a moment to observe the fluid on the stick. Note its color and smell. Healthy fluid is usually reddish and doesn't have a burnt odor. Now, use a clean, lint-free cloth to thoroughly wipe the dipstick clean. This ensures you get an accurate reading on the next step. After cleaning, reinsert the dipstick all the way back into its tube until it's fully seated. Wait just a few seconds to allow the fluid to settle on the stick. Then, pull the dipstick out again and carefully observe the fluid level. It should fall between the hot or full marks on the dipstick. This indicates a proper fluid level for your Explorer. If the fluid level is below the hot or full mark, your transmission fluid is low and needs to be topped off. If the fluid looks dark brown or smells burnt, it might be time for a fluid change. Always refer to your Ford Explorer's owner's manual for the specific type of transmission fluid recommended. Add fluid slowly, rechecking the level frequently to avoid overfilling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.